The hunger struggle is real. I'm basically a walking snack encyclopedia right now. Kimi K2 got an update. The 0905 released today. So, well, let's test it. So, create a dot-to-dot puzzle game of a penguin in a self-contained HTML file. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, not the best looking I have ever seen, but let's try it. This is not good. It's going to do this zigzag here. Okay, 26, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I completed the puzzle. This is the penguin, but not really. Unfortunately, this is a fail. Score of 0. Make a 3D penguin simulation in a self-contained HTML file. It should have mountains and a ground where the penguins get together when it's too cold. Give me a slider for the climate temperature. Use 3JS. Okay, so it finished. This is the code. Let's preview. Okay, not too bad. So the penguins doesn't have white bellies, but it works. They get together when it's colder and they spread when it's hotter. And you can see the climate changing as well. So, okay, it works. This is a pass, but I'm gonna give 8. Make me a dashboard in a self-contained HTML file to track my finances. It must have an income field and an expenses field with the date selection, a pie chart and a line chart to see my net growth over time. Give me the ability to save in a JSON file. Okay, so it finished. Let's preview. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Very simple, but nice looking. So let's try and test it. Let's add an income in a beginning of a month here. Okay, it works. Now let's add another income in the middle. Now add an expense in the end of the month. Alright, so the pie chart works perfectly. It works, very nice. It's a pass with a score that was pretty good. I'm gonna give 9. Create a calculator app using Python and PyQt. Give me a single Python file. Okay, so it finished. Let's copy the code. Okay, so here's the calculator. Let's test it. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Perfect. Doesn't give me a history and it added this extra decimal. So I'm gonna give, this is definitely a pass. I'm gonna give 8. Create a photo editing app using Python and PyQt. It should have a white balance color picker, hue and saturation sliders, adjustment curves, layers with blending modes, text and brush. Give me a single Python file. Okay, so it finished. It gave me some instructions on how to run it, which is good. I'm gonna copy the code. And it failed. It gave me an error. I'm not gonna retry this. So this is a fail. Score of 0. There are 2 penguins in front of a penguin, 2 penguins behind a penguin, and a penguin in the middle. How many penguins are there? The answer should be 3. It gave me this step-by-step reasoning, but it's wrong. It failed. Score of 0. Translate this text into English for me. So this is a Chinese text and it's correct. I mean, it's a Chinese model, so it's a pass. Score of 10. Now, Portuguese translation with colloquial language. Okay, it translated. It's okay. I would like to see something better here, but it's not too bad, so passed. I'm gonna give 8. Write me a story of a cyborg penguin trying to conquer the world. So this is the result. I won't read all of it. You can pause and read it if you want. I found it to be a little bit too complex, but that's definitely a pass. I'm gonna give 7. Now, you are me and I am a girl you're trying to win over. We have never talked to each other before. We are chatting in a texting app like WhatsApp. Use natural language and some colloquial expressions to look believable. Say okay if you understood. The chatting begins after I say hi. Usually Chinese models are pretty good at this. So let's see. Okay, this is a good sign. So it answered only okay. Now let's begin. Hi. Okay, so this is interesting. I don't have profile picture. Hey, didn't expect a message from you. Your profile pic caught my eye earlier. How's your day treating you so far? Okay, so not too bad. I'm hungry. Okay, this is pretty good. Oof, the hunger struggle is real. I'm basically a walking snack encyclopedia right now. What are you craving? I've got strong opinions on the best taco truck in town if you're into spontaneous food adventures. This is pretty good, so I'm gonna give a pass, score of 7. This is the final score for the Kimi K2 0905, which is the date it was launched, which is today. And this is the comparison against all of the other models I tested. So as you can see here, actually the Kimi K2 new performed a little bit worse than the older Kimi K2. Interesting. Well, let me know what you think and don't forget to subscribe.